Hey guys, welcome Fire Foods. In today's video I'm going to show you how to grill these massive tomahawk steaks on the charcoal grill. As you can see, they have some amazing marbling on them, so you know they're gonna melt in your mouth like butter. And I'll be also making a side of Fettucine Alfredo pasta, and it's going to be delicious. So let me show you how to do it, and let's make some Fire Foods. First step is to season the tomahawk steak. I'm going to season with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going with a simple seasoning because I want the flavor of the meat itself to be the star of the dish. Don't forget to season both sides of the steak. It's a big piece of meat, so you have to be generous with the seasoning. Otherwise, it can be under-seasoned. Let the seasoning stay on the meat for about 15 minutes, and let's make the Alfredo pasta. To make the Fettucine Alfredo, you will need fettuccine pasta, and I'm going to use parmesan cheese and pecorino Romano cheese. You'll need to grate about 1 cup of each and set it aside. Start by bringing the water to a boil in a large pot. Add salt to the water to season the pasta. Once it's boiling, add the fettuccine pasta. Cook until it's al dente. Then drain the pasta and set it aside for now. In a pot on medium heat, add 1 stick of butter and let it melt. Then add about 2 tablespoons of fresh minced garlic. Saute the garlic for about 1 minute. Add 1.5 cup of heavy cream. Stir and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Add 1 cup of grated parmesan cheese. And 1 cup of grated pecorino Romano cheese. And stir until everything melts. Finally, season with salt and black pepper. Once the sauce starts to thicken up, then it's time to toss back the Alfredo pasta and stir around so the sauce covers all the pasta. look, that looks very creamy and delicious. Now let's fire up the grill and cook the tomahawk steaks. I'm going to reverse sear the steaks until it hits an internal temperature of 120 degrees. Then I'm going to sear them on high heat to get a beautiful crust on the steaks. Let the steaks rest for about 10 minutes, then we're going to cut them open and see how they look like. Guys, the food is ready and it smells amazing. Can't wait to give it a try. So let's start with the Alfredo pasta. Wow, guys, it's amazing. The sauce is creamy, it's very rich in flavor, it's absolutely delicious. So I recommend you guys try this out. Now let's try the tomahawk steak. That color looks very good. It's medium to medium rare. Guys, it's very tender, it's very juicy, it's absolutely delicious. I recommend you guys try this out also. And that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.